Okay, guys, now it's working. Oh, okay. I feel like I should be a teacher. And no, okay. So here we go. So we're going to talk when you are given 4-term expressions. There's 4 terms in it. You could even do it with 6 terms, with an even number of terms, and you've been asked to factor them. Try factoring by grouping the first 2 together and then the second 2 together. Okay? And so we're going to try that. So we're going to factor out the greatest common factor. So Oliver, you got to look up here though. And you got to write this down in your notes. This, if you can see it. If you can't, then you're going to have to move up. Can you see it? I don't think you can see it. Where are your glasses? Oliver, get your glasses.
Wait.
Have you written them down?
Yes.
Can you copy yours?
Yeah, I wrote them down.
Okay. So what is my greatest common factor? What's my greatest common factor between 2 and 8?
It works.
2.
2, right? So I'm going to factor out a 2. What about between x4, x to the 4th, and x squared?
X squared.
X squared. And so in parentheses, what do I have?
X to the 2.
X, right.
2x.
Because the 2 divided by 2 is just 1. I've got 4, take away 2, I've got 2 left over. Plus 4, and that's it, right?
Oh, does this make a blob?
Yes, it's going to make a blob. Plus,
I knew it.
yes, exactly. What do I take out here?
The 5.
5, right? And that's the only thing, because this does not have any x's. So I can't take out any x's. Parentheses, and I've got x squared plus 4. Oh my gosh, what do you see? A blob. You see 2 blobs, and right, and they're the same blob. They're not different. Therefore, I could factor out my blob of x squared plus 4. So here's my x squared plus 4. I'm going to factor that out. And then what's left over when I get rid of this?
2x squared.
No. 2x squared.
Yeah, it's x
What's
squared.
left over when I
Plus
get rid of
5.
this? Plus 5. And I'm done. All right, so that's just that's the full thing. Before I taught you just factoring out the blobs. Now this is why it can be useful, right? So this is a method that I actually teach for in other areas too, which will be very useful in the future. So it's very helpful to understand this well.
Right when you did those 2 lines, I was like, oh.
Yeah, that's impressive. You thought that. You're the first person that's ever asked that question while I was doing it, before I'd finished. First person.
I have
Okay.
a question.
Yes.
What if your blobs aren't the same? Like, what if they're
If your blobs are not the same, it's a great question.
You did it wrong.
Then you can't go any further, right? But it's worth a try. Now, there is a chance sometimes that if you put this number and this number together, and this number and this number together, then it might work, right? So you might have to try switching them around, but I'm not going to give you those. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just say the first 2 is your first group, and your second 2 is your second group, right? I just want you to understand the method, because the method, what I'm teaching now, is going to be really useful later. All right, so I have 4 terms, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to factor out this. What am I going to factor out?
3.
3 goes into both 3 and 15. And I either have to do x to the 5th or x to the 4th. Okay?
Parentheses.
And then 3 divided by 3 is 1. I've got 5, take away 4, I've just got an x, right?
Yep.
Plus 15 divided by 3 is 5. The x to the 4 cross out, so boom. Plus 2, right? Uh-oh. What's going on? Did I multiply these wrong?
Maybe. Wait. Did you? Yeah. Or no.
Oh, you know
no,
what?
you didn't.
Let's make that a 5. Oh, that's not going to work
No,
either.
you didn't. I think
What did I
if
do wrong?
you do it.
Did I write this wrong?
Okay,
5. Oh wait. Oh, I didn't write the whole thing. 5x squared, right? Wait a minute. Which one is this? This is number 2. 4x plus 10. Oh, Gary. Okay. Well, we'll just use it the way I did it. What did I say? 4?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do 4. We'll just see what happens. So I can take out a 2. That gives me 2x plus 5.
What? It
So
won't
that's the
work.
problem. That doesn't work, right? So I can't go any further because my blobs don't match. That was not intentional, but it happened, right?
It answered my question though.
Yes, that answered your question. So now let's hope this one works. Okay. I'm going to factor out at 4 terms. I'm going to factor out the 4 and the x cubed, right? 4x cubed, parenthesis, and then what do I have here? 1x is left over, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. The 3x to the 3's cancel out. Boom. Plus 5 goes into both of these, parenthesis x plus 3. Oh my gosh, now I have blobs that match, right? So I could factor out my blob. X plus 3, parenthesis, 4x cubed, how to,
5 parentheses.
Is
right,
that
plus
it?
5. And that's your answer.
Is that it?
Right?
Oh.
That's it.
You gave me. Oh wait, no. I
They're
didn't.
pretty easy. They're pretty straightforward. And so I'm going to just, is that okay? Any questions?
Nope.
Can I just end the lecture and have you guys start on it right now?
Pretty
Yeah, I
sure.
want to raise
Okay.
the board.
Yeah.
What?
God.